Imagine a dome of protection spanning 400 kilometers. Inside this zone, anything that flies, from stealth fighters to hypersonic missiles, is a target. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of the Russian S-400 and its successor, the S-500. But how do these massive tubes of steel stop the world's most advanced aircraft? Welcome to Ammoverse, where we break down the ballistics and technology defining modern warfare. Today we're looking at the evolution of the Russian sky shields, the S-400 Triumf, and the terrifying new S-500 Prometey. The S-400 seen here is arguably the most successful air defense system ever exported. Its true power lies in its versatility. It doesn't just use one type of missile, it uses a suite of four. From the long-range 40 N6E, capable of hitting targets at 400 kilometers, to the short-range, highly maneuverable interceptors for close-in defense. It is designed to track up to 300 targets simultaneously, engaging everything from an F-35 to a low-flying cruise missile. The next level, the S-500 Prometey. But the game has changed with the S-500. While the S-400 protects the atmosphere, the S-500 reaches for the stars. It is specifically designed to intercept intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, and even low-orbit satellites. With the new 77N6 missile series, it aims to stop hypersonic weapons that move at 5 times the speed of sound. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new layer of defense. In the constant chess match between stealth and radar, Russia is betting big on these giants. But can they truly stop a stealth assassin like the F-35? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you're a fan of high-tech defense and military history, hit that subscribe button and join the Ammoverse community. Stay vigilant, stay informed. See you in the next one.